Hey there, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating move by Toyota that's got the automotive world buzzing. You might have heard the news. Toyota is pumping a whopping $1 billion into its U.S. operations, specifically targeting Kentucky and Indiana. But what's the big deal here? Why is this such a significant move? Well, first things first, this investment is part of a broader strategy by Toyota to strengthen its presence in the U.S. market. We're talking about increasing production capacity for some of their most popular models, like the Camry and RAV4 in Kentucky and the Grand Highlander SUV in Indiana. This is a clear signal that Toyota is committed to the U.S. market for the long haul, and they're not just paying lip service to the idea of building where they sell. Personally, I find this approach really intriguing. In today's global economy, where supply chains are complex and often span continents, Toyota's philosophy of local production is a breath of fresh air. It's a strategy that could potentially reduce logistical headaches and even mitigate the impact of tariffs and trade deals, which have been a thorn in the side of automakers during the Trump administration. Speaking of tariffs, Toyota has been vocal about the challenges they pose. These additional costs can be a massive burden, with Toyota expecting to take a 1.4 trillion yen hit this fiscal year. That's a huge amount. What many people don't realize is that these tariffs aren't just numbers on a balance sheet. They can influence production decisions, pricing, and even the models a company chooses to focus on. It's a delicate balancing act for any automaker. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Toyota's chair, Akio Toyoda, has been playing a diplomatic game, trying to navigate the political landscape. Remember that iconic image of him wearing the Make America Great Again hat? It's a clear attempt to curry favor with the Trump administration, which has been vocal about wanting more investment from foreign automakers. This kind of political maneuvering is a necessary evil in today's business world, but it also raises questions about the influence of politics on corporate strategy. What this investment really suggests to me is that Toyota is thinking long-term. They're not just reacting to the current political climate, but also positioning themselves for the future. By increasing production capacity in the U.S., they're potentially future-proofing their operations against further trade disruptions and strengthening their relationship with American consumers. It's a bold move that could pay dividends down the line. In conclusion, Toyota's billion-dollar investment is more than just a business decision. It's a strategic move that reflects the company's understanding of the current geopolitical landscape and its commitment to the U.S. market. It's a fascinating case study in how global corporations navigate complex political and economic waters. So, the next time you see a Toyota on the road, remember the intricate dance of business, politics, and strategy that brought it to your neighborhood. Until next time, keep exploring the stories behind the headlines.